sail on l'Espérance, which is a local boat owned by Sir Bobby Velasquez. And it's actually quite an important and emotional regatta for the team. L'Espérance got completely destroyed in 2017 for Hurricane Irma. So we rebuilt the whole aft deck, made some modifications, etc., etc. And this is the first time that we've actually tested her route sailing in the Heineken Regatta. It's good to have the team back together. It's also emotional because we've lost two of our teammates who've passed away quite recently. Mr. Diedrich Kannegitter and Mr. Roger Petit. So this race that we're sailing is also in memorandum for them. And yeah, Sir Bobby, as the captain and the owner, he's in top form. Bobby's in his 80s, so he's getting quite up there, but despite that, he's still there. He's still making the right decisions, making the right calls as the captain, being the usual legend as he is on a sailboat. So it's also simultaneously great to see that the younger generation is also being involved and having just as much fun as the older guys and the medium old guys, and the new generation also becoming part of it, talking just as much nonsense as the rest of us and having fun while we're still, racing hard, seriously fun, as they say.